What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, let's see what we can find in here. I've got the one cart that wants to pull to the right so hard. It's usually what happens. Let's see what we got over here. Bunch of CDs. Ugh. The service in here is really rough, but I think I'll still grab all the sealed CDs, pile them up, see if I can find any winners there. And then what do we have on this side? Oh, a lot more CDs. Holy cow. Somebody must have just donated a bunch of them, and they're all $2 each. They used to be $1 each, but all the Goodwills in my area have just raised their prices 99 cents. So even cassette tapes that were $1 are now $1.99. It's honestly such a shame, but it does kind of help knowing what's new and what's not. So that's good for now. They just switched over about a week ago, I think. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Bunch of VHS tapes, $1 each, but yep, they raised the VHS tapes to $1.99 also. Which, what a shame. What a shame. And let's see what we got on this side. More DVDs. Okay, I'm gonna do some scanning. If I find anything, you guys will know. Alright, so all the thrift stores here have lots of clothes, just like most thrift stores, most Goodwills. And I was looking around, I saw this cool little local hockey jersey, and I saw the price of $10, and it's like, alright, that's crazy, I gotta check out the rest of the prices. There is this LL Bean jacket that is ripped up on the inside pretty bad. 20 bucks. That's why I can't even look at the clothing here because of these prices. This fairway green turtleneck with some white stains on it, $7. Yeah, Brooks Brothers, $10. That's wild. They always $8.49. They always used to say starts at $4.99 and up, as you can see over there. And there's literally not a single piece of clothing. The lowest I found is $5.49. Not a single piece of clothing. That's $4.99. $10. Oh, here we go. Here's just a very basic got oxygen. This has to be $4.99. Nope, $7. Like an Amazon Essentials, as basic as it can get, and it even has some stains on it, and it is $7. That's just, it's crazy. You can't buy clothing anywhere up here. It's wild. All right, back over in the toys. Here's a Bop It XT. I used to sell these all the time for like 30-40 bucks. Oh, it's only $1.99. That is a score. See, complete opposite of clothing. Toys are always priced really, really good up here in Connecticut. So what I'm trying to do is look up the value of it, and I can't even find it. Here's like a newer version of the Bop It Extreme, but no. Bop It Smash. My service is really bad, so pick. Oh, there's Bop It XT right here. My service is so bad that nothing's really popping up. There it is, 50 bucks. Still selling good. Make minus my $2, about $39. That is a total score. We're taking it. All right, we got a 5-minute dungeon game for $3.99. Hopefully it's complete in here, because looking it up on Amazon, selling used for $37.98. You'll make 26 bucks minus the 4. So it's about a $22 profit. That is super sweet. It's going in the cart. Look at what Ashley found. A puppy dog purse. Puppy at heart. He's got a little zipper in there so you could keep all of your puppy dog things. And I thought I saw a stain right here, but Ashley said that's where he got shot. That's how they made this. I think those might be stains actually all over it. Oh yeah, that's gross now that I think about it. And he even has a butthole. What a great little dog. I did try looking up this purse, and I typed in puppy at heart, which is the branding, and I think this is the same one right here. $20, 22 bucks brand new. I wonder what they're asking for them here. They sell for about 20 bucks. That's still pretty cool though. Let's see what they're selling them here for. All right, so we just looked all over them, no price. So who knows? Who knows? Probably 5 bucks if I had to guess. Wild. All right, let's see what else we got down here. An elliptical for $7.99. That's a good deal. 8 bucks for an elliptical? A Nordic Track. I mean, it's an older one, but that's actually a really good deal if it works. Holy moly. All right, coming back from the elliptical down this aisle, there's a whole bunch of toys and games, and I see something sealed over here. Hopefully it's priced right. Delawareopoly, $3.99. That's gotta be good. It's gotta be. I'm not even gonna look it up because I have no service back here. But at $4, it has to be a good deal. Has to be. What else do we have back here? Any other cool toys or games? Hallmark, Shopkins, Battleship. No, nothing good. Ooh, these are kind of neat. Dinosaur cars, $1.99 for 2 of them. Ooh, is that a shark riding a motorcycle? It is. All right, so we are in the middle of the store where I have absolutely zero service, but down here, there's some board games. We have this game called Wynerd for $5, but it's half off, $2.50. I assume if it's sat here for over a week to become half off, well, that'd be a couple weeks actually. Actually, it should say 11/3, and today is the 19th, I believe. So about 2 weeks it's been sitting here. I doubt it's going to be worth it, but you never know. We'll stick it in the cart, look it up at the front of the store. And then we have a $3.99 game. It is brand new, NFL Rush Zone, but the corner is ripped, the plastic. So I'd probably sell it as used anyways. But we'll still see if it's worth it. We're going to stick both of these in the cart and see if we got lucky. I also just found a Wilton cake pan, which I haven't found in a little while. It looks new because it has this insert, but I don't think it's new. I think it's been used. It's a little scratched up. Nothing too bad. Again, I can't look it up over here because I have no service, so we're going to bring it to the front of the store, see if it's worth the $3.99. Sometimes they are. Looking in the glass case for anything. I don't see anything besides my Thrift School shirt. Ooh. So I just looked up the Wilton cake pan, and here it is, $10 with a rank of almost 1 million, meaning it's going to take a long time to sell. So I'm not even going to bother. We're going to put back the cake pan, but let's look up the board games. All right, so no surprise to me, the Wynerd wasn't worth it because it's been sitting here so long. I had a feeling, and yeah, not worth it. NFL Rush Zone is not on Amazon for some reason. It is on eBay, but people are selling it for about $20 free shipping, so not worth it. A box this big to ship if it's going to California from Connecticut could cost me $10, $11, and plus the $4 I have to pay for it, it's just not going to be worth it. This Delawareopoly, though, is definitely going to be worth it. It's $3.99, and it's not on Amazon, but I looked it up on eBay, and here are the sold listings. $40 plus 17 shipping, 30 plus 5 shipping, 32 plus 10 shipping. So it sells. It just sold a few days ago for $40. So we're definitely going to grab that, put it up on eBay. All right, so I went through the DVDs and the CDs over here, and I'll show you guys what I ended up finding right here. We just got a few of them, nothing too crazy. For $1, since it's half off, Christmas Vacation 2. I think I'll profit about $3 on this. Not too bad. We also got this right here, Stalag 17. No price on it. Hopefully they just charge me $2, so that won't be too bad. We'll see what they do. And I think it's selling for like $13 to $15, so make a little bit of money there. And this is pretty sweet. Lord of the Rings Fellowship of the Ring for $2.99, brand new. And this thing was selling, I think, for $38, so definitely a good score. We'll throw that in the cart. And we found a few smalls, but I'm happy with it. So mixed in with the DVDs here, Ashley got herself an Agatha Christie, The Mysterious Affair at Styles. It's the first Hercule Poirot mystery. Very cool. And it's $1.99. Nice. It's always nice to be able to find yourself something cool here. And it was originally $10, so $2. That seems like a good deal to me. It's just something nice to read. All right, guys, I think we're gonna head out of here, head home, and maybe hit up another thrift store in a little bit. So let's go. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, so we are inside, and one of the first things I see right here is this Kodak Carousel 140. It's a tray for slides, and it is $3. I scanned it in, and look at that rank, #1 bestseller in the camera category. Probably in like a subcategory, but still sells very, very, very fast. $18. So I'll make about $7, but somebody's undercutting. I can always get at least 25 for these. So I want to look into it a little bit further. So we'll click through, and you can see this prime seller right here with only 80% feedback, only 5 reviews. So it's a newer seller. $18. The next person, 22, 22, 22, and then 25. I guarantee you price yours at 25, maybe even $30 or $28. and it'll sell. The other people will sell out really, really, really fast. This person at 18 is leaving about $7 on the table. So it is what it is. I'm gonna grab it because at $3, it's a score. All right, I want to see if there's any cool toys or anything over here. Anything new? What do we got? Digidraw? I remember the Digidraw. I had a Digidraw when I was a kid. My parents actually bought me this.
Now you can trace almost any picture you want with Digidraw. That's right, only Digidraw lets you trace photographs. Amazing!
And I used to trace things all the time. This was really cool. $1.99. So I think normally they would have priced this at $2. So technically you're saving a penny. So I tried looking it up on Amazon and nobody's on the listing, so I did a quick search on eBay. None were listed by scanning the barcode. Probably if you typed it in, some would pop up. But there's a brand new one that sold for $23. It's only $2, but $23 brand new, used. It's got to be cheaper than that. Oh, they did charge $13 shipping, so it might be worth it. I'm gonna try typing it in, but real quick, it is a completely destroyed box. It's also empty. I think this is it right here. But oh my gosh, this thing is in not great shape. We're gonna leave it anyways. It's still a cool thing to see though. All right, I'm back at the electronics wall looking for anything cool. There's a fondue set, a Mr. Coffee. But over here, I see an Aleve Direct Therapy. Looks like an electronic strap that you put on your back for lower back pain. I have a lot of lower back pain, so this could actually help me. But what are they asking? $11.99, $12 for this, which seemed a little high. I don't know what this really is, if it even works, but I scanned it into Amazon and take a look at this. Here it is. Boom, $185. I couldn't believe it. $185 for this? That's wild. Let's double check eBay. Alright, so I now have it pulled up on eBay. These are the sold listings. Today is the 18th. One sold today, brand new, for $115. This one sold for $60 plus 10 shipping. This one sold for $240 for some reason. This one only went for $35. Prices are honestly all over the place. It seems like brand new. It goes for over $100. Pre-owned 60, pre-owned 50 to 60, so yeah, 75. Prices really are all over the place. For $12, I'm gonna grab it. Can I sell it used on Amazon? Let's see. No, you can't. You can only sell it new. So it'll have to go used on eBay. But again, it looks like it sells all over the place. Hopefully for $13. So yeah, $12. So hopefully I can get 60, 75. That's amazing. We'll take it.